A lot of corporate jobs, you don't have that freedom to manage your own time. You're typically on that corporate 9 to 5 schedule. With Collectiv, it's totally different. It's a different way of thinking and working. I've been a consultant at Collectiv for about 1.5 years now. I started out first 4 or 5 months as a contractor and the remainder as a W-2 consultant. Collectiv is really integrated with each other. All the consultants and principals, we all talk and we converse with each other. Whenever we have client issues, we can always come to each other and get them solved. I really value having my freedom when I work. I like to manage my own time. When I manage my own clients, I might give status updates weekly, but at the same time, I can manage my own time. I don't work that corporate 9 to 5. I really love the aspect of working with many different companies within many different industries. I strive to win for all of my clients, so I try to produce the best product that fits their business need and solves their problem. And doing that for any of my clients is really gratifying.